Let's start with building a story brand. Clarify your message so customer will listen by Nylo. This is one of those marketing books where you read it and you end up knowing exactly why your business sucks if you have one, how to fix it, or how to build a business that people care about using the power of story. Nylo has done an amazing job by providing a Storybrand Framework, which is 7 principles that starters or business owners can use to clarify their message so they can be seen, heard, and understood in the marketplace. Here's the Storybrand 7 frameworks. A character has a problem and meets a guy who gives them a plan and calls them to action. That helps them avoid failure and ends in success. We are the hero of our own story, and when we have problems, we're not looking for another hero, we're looking for a guide, someone who understands our story, who had been in our position and knows exactly how difficult it can be to achieve our damn goals. A good guide provides a plan that doesn't suck, a plan that has clarity about how they will solve not only our external problems, but also our internal problems and sometimes our philosophical problems. Simon Sinek, another fantastic guy in the world of leadership, said, "People don't buy what you do, they buy why you do it." And the best business understand that. They do it by using stories as a weapon to solve people's internal and philosophical problems. Scalingwithsystem.com with Ravi Abuvala is one of the websites I know that uses the Storybrand Framework. By the way, this is not a sponsored video whatsoever. I just love what they do. On this website, you can quickly be aware of the character, the problem, the plan, the guide, and more. Someone who wants to scale his business with a client acquisition system is more likely to say yes to this offer as he scrolls down, because they have a clear picture of what scaling with system does and how the transformation will be if they say yes. Their clients are now confused as they scroll down on the website, and as you may know, a confused mind always say no. So if you want to build an online business, use story as a weapon to clarify your message so customers will listen and choose you as a guide for their resolution. And Building a Storybrand by Nylo is a book that helps me understand how it works, so I encourage you to use it on your journey as well. The next book I have for you is Marketing Made Simple, a step-by-step Storybrand guide for any business by Nylo, the same dude. Now, this book is kind of like an extension of the previous one. You've clarified your message using the Storybrand Framework, and the next step is to build a sales funnel, which is basically a step-by-step process that takes a potential customer from awareness, knowing what you do, to purchase, doing business with you, or buying whatever you sell on your websites. And Nylo in his book explains how businesses can create an effective sales funnel by using a series of lead magnets, landing pages, email sequences, and all that jazz. Everything is explained in the book with clarity. It shows exactly how to frame websites and provide checklists that spell out everything we need to know to build a sales funnel that just works. He also talks about the importance of focusing on customer relationships and transformations, doing whatever it takes to provide amazing customer service and even create content that adds values to their lives. Because by focusing on customer relationships and transformations, business owners can create a loyal customer base that will not only continue to purchase from them, but also refers others to their business. I truly believe that Building a Storybrand and Marketing Made Simple books by Nylo are two great resources to come up with a great marketing plan. I'm Nylo Armany, and as you may know, most people are turning their passion for marketing and entrepreneurship into a digital lifestyle business. On this channel, I'm showing my journey of building this business from scratch to find my edge while providing value to you. If this video sucks and it was not helpful to you, please let me know in the comment below. But if somehow you learned something with me today, then like the video, share it with your friends, and subscribe to the channel so we can learn and grow together. In the meantime, enjoy the rest of the day. I see you next time. Bye.